How to use the ABC-P Combi Oven food probe. In this video, we will cover how to use the ABC-P Combi Oven food probe. All demonstrations in this video have been performed by trained professionals. The ABC-P Combi Oven comes equipped with a food probe to identify exact internal food temperature, allowing precise specifications to be met every time. Timer and probe display. The timer display shows the time remaining when set. When using the food probe function, the display shows the set and actual food probe temperature. Timer and probe selector knob. When in timer mode, the timer selector knob is used to set a timer. Rotate the knob to the right to increase and left to decrease the timer. A buzzer and flashing light indicates when the timer is complete, and the display will also blink 0 remaining time. Press and hold the knob for 3 seconds to change between timer or probe temperature mode. In probe temperature mode, rotate the knob to set the desired internal food temperature. Follow these quick steps to cook with the food probe. Attach the food probe to your unit by connecting the food probe to the probe connection. Insert the probe into the food, then set the desired cook to temperature in probe temperature mode. Place the food into the oven, close the door, and a buzzer and flashing light alarms when the food probe cook to temperature is reached. When the food probe is connected, press the knob to check actual probe temperature. Now you are ready to use your Vulcan Combi Oven. For more information on operating and maintaining your equipment, refer to the operation manual on the Vulcan website.